Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to learn past tense. So, what is the past tense? It is a form of the verb which is used to represent an action or event that is already happened in the past. So, here past tense means we are going to learn the action which has happened in the past. Okay. So, here there are four types of tenses. The past tense, that's simple past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, and past perfect continuous tense. So first one here is simple past tense. In the simple past tense, it is used to represent an action or event that took place in the past and no longer happening now. So it is over, it's done in the past only, and it's not continuing till now or nothing. So simple past tense is simple as it says it is happened in the past. Okay. Many verbs in the simple past tense formed by adding ed at the end or d. We can use the past tense in two forms. First one by adding was or were, and second thing directly adding verb with the ed form or past tense of the form of the verb. So here first one, how do we make the sentence is subject plus was were plus remaining sentence. So I was at the park yesterday. Okay, I was at the park yesterday, or I was at the ground yesterday. I was in the school yesterday. This type of the sentences are the simple past tense sentence. Then subject plus was were plus not plus remaining sentence, that is object. So here comes I was not at the park yesterday. Then how do we use was were plus subject plus sentence? So here we can use I was at the park. Was I at the park yesterday? Or in the negative form, wasn't me at the park yesterday. We can use I also, me also. Okay. Here then she studied in the library. For the verb forms, how do we use that is subject plus past form of the verb. Okay. So here she studied in the school. So here study becomes studied, ed. Okay. Y becomes I when we use ed. Okay. Studied, she studied in the library. She did not study in the library. Here did comes when we use not. Okay. Then in the question type, did she study in the library? Not studied. Okay. Here because did is the past tense form, do is the present tense form. Okay. So did is the past tense form. So we don't use the again past tense of the verb. Just did means it's past tense. Remember that. So did she study in the library? Okay, this is the question type sentence. So there are two forms where we used past tense, that is with the helping verb was were, and with the using direct verb in the sentence as a using ed or d or past form of the verb. Okay. Next, so this is the formula of the past tense. Remember that subject plus past tense of the verb. This is the main and important formula for the past tense. Remember that. So here I have taken some example by using all the pronouns I, we, you, he, she, it, they, and Ram as a example of the noun. So here I played, we played, you played, he, she, it played, they played, Ram played. Okay. So here I have taken some more examples for you to understand what is a simple past tense. Here I attended the yoga classes regularly. Okay. So here attend is a present tense form, ed becomes past tense. So it becomes the simple past tense. What the simple past tense shows? It shows the past habits, what we have done, and the action which is happened, or the it can show the series of the actions. Also, for example, I will tell you orally that I have done gym yesterday, I went to the temple yesterday, then I have my dinner, and I went to the sleep. So this is a series of the event that I have done yesterday. So this is a we can use the simple past tense for this also. Okay. For example, here second example is I went to the school yesterday. He bought a bicycle today. It rained heavily last night. My father reached home at midnight. Okay, thank you.